Hi, so here we have a top floor flat with double glazing, cavity wall, and here's the electric meter, which is a key meter. If we press this button here, we'll scroll through and then you see the second rate 2, so that means it's economy 7. What type of heating? Probably storage heaters, and I'm thinking we need a storage heater upgrade here to improve the EPC rating from a D to a C. So we have a Dimplex Quantum XL, about 125. So this is an old style storage heater, an XLS 24N Series B. So ideally with this would like to be removed, a peak rate supply installed, and a Quantum 125 QM 125 installed in its place, like for like. The lounge, we have a Dimplex FXL 24N. This has a dual supply, so it's quite an easy removal, and a Quantum 125 should go in its place. No additional wiring needed. In the lounge is already a QM 70, yes, with its dual supply, so we don't need to upgrade that one. The kitchen, there's no fixed heating at all. If we wanted to put one in, that would probably be a pull cord Dimplex FX20, but there's a large storage heater out here which is going to be upgraded to a Quantum, so not much need for that. Dual immersion hot water tank, large spray foam, looks about 38mm thick, with the 2 supplies there, peak and off-peak. Obviously use your off-peak to heat the water and don't use the peak unless it's an emergency. The bathroom, we have an XLS6 present. This has been discontinued due to lot 20, which came out in 2018, because it doesn't have a thermostat, a programmer, or open window sensor technology, or one of the Bluetooth, or what. It doesn't have much controls. It's either on or off. If this was removed, you wouldn't be able to replace it with an off-peak heater, because there are none on the market that are IP rated for bathrooms. So this is the only way to heat a bathroom using off-peak. So we shall be leaving this one in. In addition to that, there is a towel rail present, which runs off the peak rate supply, and an FX20 which runs off the peak rate supply as well. So this bathroom is furnished with 3 forms of heating, 2 of which are peak, 1 which is off peak. Bedroom 2 has a plug-in panel heater, so an off-peak supply is going to be needed for this room, and then the peak supply can be turned from a socket to a supply with an indicator switch for a QM50 for this size of room. And then bedroom 1 has a QM70 Dimplex high heat retention storage heater. Yep, it's a 70 with dual supply, peak and off peak. So the peak runs the fan, the programmer and the clock, and the off-peak charges up the bricks and supplies the heat. Upgrading this property to fully 100% high heat retention storage heaters could add on around about, how many points, let's think, about 7 points onto the EPC, which would improve its score and hopefully bring it from a D rating up to a C rating. LED lighting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.